For thousands of years, people in China and Japan have consumed green tea for its soothing flavor and therapeutic benefits. Drinking green tea may protect against heart disease, help manage type 2 diabetes, and even support bone health. While green tea is made from the same leaves as black tea, green tea leaves are not fermented. This not only preserves the tea's green color but also enhances its antioxidant content, which may explain why it's so healthful. A 2014 study published in Psychopharmacology of 12 healthy volunteers found that green tea extract improved subjects' working memory. Patients were given a milk-based drink that contained either 27.5 milligrams of green tea extract or a placebo. They then completed certain tasks while an MRI tracked their brain activity. Those who consumed the green tea extract saw greater brain connectivity as well as improved working memory and task performance. Some research has found drinking green tea can protect against certain neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A 2022 study published in Frontiers in Nutrition found that after following 1,545 elderly people in China with healthy brain functioning for 1 year, those who habitually drank tea, including green tea, had lower rates of cognitive decline compared to non-tea drinkers. This was true even after researchers adjusted for factors like education, smoking, and exercise. A 2020 meta-analysis of 31 studies published in Nutrition Journal found that consuming green tea was associated with lower levels of both total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol. A 2020 meta-analysis in Medicine of 1,697 people found that drinking green tea significantly reduced blood pressure, particularly in those with high blood pressure and greatest risk of cardiovascular disease. Green tea may also prevent the loss of bone mass. A 2022 study published in Nutrients found that of almost 6,500 postmenopausal Korean females, those who did not consume any green tea or consumed less than 1 cup daily for the past year were more likely to have lost bone mass in their spine or thigh compared to those who drink green tea 3 times a day. Reduced bone mass increases the risk of osteoporosis, a disease that makes bones more fragile. Postmenopausal females in particular are at a greater risk of developing osteoporosis. This may explain why a 2017 analysis published in Medicine concluded that tea consumption was linked to a reduced risk of osteoporosis, likely due to its high concentration of antioxidants which help prevent bone loss and enhance bone formation. Consuming tea, including green tea, may be an effective way to prevent and manage type 2 diabetes. According to a 2019 review published in Antioxidants, the review found that green tea antioxidants in particular could reduce insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when cells are less sensitive to the hormone insulin, which helps cells convert blood sugar to energy. It is one of the major risk factors for developing type 2 diabetes. Drinking tea, including green tea, is associated with a longer and healthier life. According to 2020 research published in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology, the study followed 100,902 participants in China with no history of heart attack, stroke, or cancer for over 7 years. It grouped participants as either habitual tea drinkers, meaning they consume tea 3 or more times a week, non-habitual tea drinkers, meaning they consume tea less than 3 times a week. Compared to non-habitual tea drinkers, those who drank tea 3 or more times a week had a reduced risk of mortality from all causes. They also had a reduced risk of developing atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease, which is when plaque builds up in blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart attack or stroke. Researchers believe this is likely due to antioxidants in green tea protecting cells from damage that would otherwise lead to disease. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, share, and comment.